Hello and welcome. In this quick video, I'm going to show you how to create a table of contents. It's very quick and easy, so let's get started. So once you have a piece of work that you want to create a table of contents for, so I've quickly just put this up, and I want a table of contents with chapter 1, chapter 2, and chapter 3. You can call the headings in your table of contents anything, however, you do need some headings. And the reason for that is the first step is to highlight each of your headings, so you can do it one at a time. Go to the Home tab and click on Heading 1 for your main headings. So for me, that's going to be Chapter 1, Chapter 2, and Chapter 3 as my main headings for my table of contents. Now, if you do happen to have another thing you want in your table of contents that's more of a subheading or a subset of that table of contents, you can highlight that. So for example, the school day, and select heading 2. And of course there's a heading 3 as well if needed, and you can customize those headings how you like. So I might just bold them. And once you have created these headings, you are ready to create your table of contents. So to do that, go and click wherever you want your table of contents to show up. So for me, I want them to show up right below this little hi message. Then you will simply go to your References tab, click on your table of contents, and select which table of contents you want, or if you want a custom table of contents. I will just do a classic table, so click on that, and as you can see, here is my table of contents, and here is that heading 2 I put, so it comes under heading 1 as a subset. So we have chapter 1 and then the school day. And the numbers will automatically be put in. And not only does this show you your numbers, but you can also click on it and it takes you directly to that heading. Now if you're doing your report and you continue editing and your headings change pages, so for example these come down here, and you want to update your table of contents so that it resumes your new page numbers, or maybe you have added some headings, simply right click and go update field and update entire table. Then hit OK, and as you can see, these have now updated. So this is now page 3 and this is page 5, and we can still click it and it takes us directly there. Anyway, that's how you create a table of contents in Word. I hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, please consider liking and subscribing to my channel. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.